Hi, thanks for stopping by. This is Teresa from Sami Dolls. In this video I'm showing how I'm sewing the skirt to the bodice to finish the dress. All the different bodice styles are in all the other videos that I'm linking below this video, so you can have a look at them if you like. The pattern that I'm using in this video is available in my online shop. I'm linking my shop under this video as well, so you can have a look there as well if you like. Fold the bottom of the skirt piece over twice and pin it in place. Sew the folded over hem in place. Gather the top edge of the skirt. I'm doing this on my overlocker, but you can also do it by hand or on your sewing machine, and I'm showing how to gather something in the short puff sleeve tutorial, and I'm linking this under this video as well, so you can have a look there. Fold the side edge of the skirt over twice and pin the skirt to the bodice, right sides facing. If you have too much fabric, cut it off and fold the edge over twice as before and pin it in place. Sew the skirt to the bodice. Top stitch along the seam you just sewed. Sew the double folded hem edges into place. Attach the closures of your choice. I'm using cam snaps. And there we have our pretty dress. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, and let me know in the comments which bodice you prefer and which one you want to make first. In the next video I'm showing how I'm sewing a pair of bloomers for the doll, and I can't wait to see what she looks like in the finished outfit. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video and it was useful to you. Please consider supporting me by buying my patterns. Here's a preview of my shop and the link is in the video description. Down there under me should be the link to the next video. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos, and follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. I'd love to see you over there. See you next time. Bye!